Dandasana. From here, Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose, taking the feet one after the other from sideways, place underneath the buttocks. When you feel comfortable, come onto the knees, kneeling. Now make sure the knees are little apart, shoulder width, and feet also. As we inhale, raise the right palm upwards from the front and place it on the waist, directing the palms, fingers downwards. Same thing with the left hand, inhale up. As we exhale, rotate it externally and place the palm on the waist. As we inhale, hold little bit and bend backwards by pushing the pelvis front. As you exhale, go further, listening to your back. Take the help with your palms, push the pelvis front and bend backwards very slowly, and leaving the head, listen to your pain, stiffness. If you feel dizzy, stay there. Don't have to go further. If you don't feel dizzy, please take your palms onto the feet. Exactly. Well done. As you inhale, expand the rib cage. As you exhale, push the pelvis forward. Well done. As we inhale, come back to the center by placing the palms on the waist again. As we exhale, bring the palms forward, one after the other, in front of the thigh. Place the palms on the thigh. Bring the knees together, feet together. Come back to Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose. As we inhale, raise both the arms up to 90 degrees. Make sure the arms are next to the ears. As we exhale, fold forward from the hips and go to Shashankasana. The rabbit in the moon. Make sure the hands are at the width of shoulders. You can self-measure by touching the thumbs.